Voila, 10分乱来了。So today I'm making every Singaporean's dream during the circuit breaker come true. So some of you might know what I'm cooking already. Yes, I am cooking DIY bubble tea. シンガポールはですね、4月22日から、ミルクティーのショップが全部営業停止になりました。で、なんでかというと今ね、コロナの時期で、生活に必要じゃないものはもう極力今営業してないという状況なんで、そのニュースを受けてもう、lots of Singaporeans are very sad. So that is why I wanted to make every Singaporean's dream come true today. And yeah, the pandan leaf. I love this smell. So I'm following Straits Times recipe. They have like a recipe with a video. I'll put a link in the description box. Okay, let's get started. So this is their article with the recipe. It's actually very simple. You only need water, black sugar, tapioca starch, which you can buy in Shengshang, and pandan leaves. So I actually got gula melaka instead of the black sugar because I like the smell of this. So these ingredients are a bit difficult to get in Japan. だから日本人の消費者さんはちょっと作れるのが難しいかもしれないけど、もしねスーパーでこういうの売ってたらぜひトライしてみてください。結構ね簡単にできると思います。Okay, so first I'm making the bubbles, the fun part. I'm gonna put this on medium fire and wait until it boils. ちなみに使用している食材の量は全部半分にし記事に記載されているやつの半分にしてます。記事の通りだとちょっと多すぎるので、多分2人前、僕の今のこの量で2人前作れるとは思います。The next 75 grams of tapioca starch. Put that in. As you can see, it's already boiled, so I'm going to put half of this inside the tapioca starch. I'm going to immediately start mixing. グラマラカのいい香りが立ち上がってきますね。ちなみにグラマラカっていうのはパームシュガーです。日本だとあんまりね食べないと思いますが、シンガポールをはじめとした東南アジアではよくありますね。Then after about 10 seconds, I'm going to put the remaining inside.
Easy to stir. You shouldn't be having a hard time stirring it. If the paste is too hard and you're having trouble stirring it, then the consistency is not ideal. Now you'll have to
And I will keep on kind of adding little by little to get the right bounciness. I recommend you guys to follow the recipe. I'm doing it like かなり感覚的にやってます。Oh, my arm is... Oh. As the dough is getting stiffer, it requires more strength. いい筋トレになりますね。見えてないと思うけど汗がすごいです。I think we're almost there. きつい。右腕だけすごいマッチョになりそう。I'm starting to appreciate all the bubble tea shops. I think it's good to go. Now we're transferring this. Oh shoot. I think it needs more starch. Oh my gosh. Almost there. And next I'm gonna knead this for around 5 minutes. いろんな形の タピオカ作っても楽しいかもしれないですね。そうしよう。Now I'm going to make these into balls, which is the fun part. So grab a chunk. You know what? I think I need more of the starch. I put too much water, I think. And roll it on your palms. Oh, nice. So I'm just gonna repeat this process probably like 2,000 times. So I made my own Wiener Dog bubble tea. Let's see how this turns out. And I'm done. Wow, it looks okay, right? They're not really the best shape, but I'm proud of my work. And this is the Wiener Dog I made, and yeah, I just kind of got lazy afterwards, so I made like a bunch of humongous bobas. Next, I'm coating these bubbles with more tapioca starch, so they don't stick inside the boiling water. Oh no, my Wiener Dog broke. ちょっと無理でしたね、動物は。Next, I'm using the pandan leaf to stick it in the boiling water to add this nice fragrance. シンガポールではいろんな料理に使われます。日本だと珍しいですが、本当香り付けにいいんですよね、これ。This is hard work, but we're almost done. Here it goes. Ooh. Ooh. Achi, achi. Wow, the smell of the pandan is amazing. Okay, once the balls are floating, I'm gonna cover and wait for 15 minutes. Okay, now I'm making my black sugar sauce. So the recipe states 100 milliliters of water and 200 grams of sugar. I'm having everything, so the water I put 50 milliliters and sugar, maybe I'll just put half of this. So I'm gonna put this to boil because I want to make it very tangy and sweet. Now I transfer the balls into ice water to make it more bouncy, and look, it actually looks like a real boba. This is awesome. Yeah, I know the sizes are kind of uneven, just a bit, but it's okay as long as they're good. Next goes the final step, pouring the gula melaka sauce. というかもう1個食べちゃいましょうか。ちっちゃいやつ。いただきます。自分で言うのもあれですけど、これめちゃくちゃ美味しい。てか本当にお店のボバレベル。外側の方が柔らかくて、中身はちょっともっと歯ごたえある感じ。Okay, I'm finally done. It took me about 1.5 hours, maybe because I was filming at the same time, but super tired. I hope it's worth the effort. So I got my bubbles here, my handmade bubbles, in glass with some ice cubes, and I'm using Japanese tea. And of course it can be any kind of tea, it can be jasmine or it can be anything, but I prefer the non-sweet Japanese tea, so I'm gonna try this. So these are my bubbles. This is the largest one. 隕石みたいですね。これちょっと突っ込んでとりあえず。I put some small ones as well. They actually look really good. And finally the Japanese tea. And my final Japanese touch. Kit Kat matcha flavor. I found this in Shengsheng actually. It's really amazing, all these local Singapore supermarkets selling all kinds of Japanese snacks. そのまま食べたいぐらい美味しそうですね。I'm gonna crush this inside. Wow. So this is it. I'm actually really excited for this. It looks really good. Oh, the smell of the matcha, the Kit Kat, and the gula melaka. Okay, let's try this. Kanpai. Wow, I didn't know gula melaka goes well with Japanese green tea. Oh yeah. Let's dig out the pearls. つるつるで美味しそう。Wow, they're extremely chewy. The more you bite, you get this flavor of the gula melaka. で、本日の最重量サイズはこれですね。Look at that. This is the biggest boba I made. It doesn't even look like a tapioca ball anymore, but this is the fun part, you know, about creating our own boba. Wow. こんな噛み応えのあるボバ初めて食べました。This can be your lunch. It's that meaty, delicious, and it's also a good training for your jaw because you gotta chew on it a lot. Okay, that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I wasn't expecting it to be this physically demanding. Starting from the making of the dough, just cooking in this heat. すごい疲れたけど、なんか自分でバブルティーが作れるっていうのもなんか体験できてよかったですね。The bubble tea shops are closed, but you can make it yourself. It's easy. はい、そんな感じで今日の動画を終わりにしたいと思います。If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and I'd like to hear from you from the comment section below. そんな感じでありがとうございました。さよなら。Have a good day, guys. 10分なんざおりゃお。